how to find where an image came from on Google or using Google's Pixel. So for example, if I have this image right here and I want to find out from where this came, so I will simply open up a new Google tab and click on this icon right here, which is search by image, which uses Google Lens. Now you want to drag the image and drop it here and just wait for it. And it should select the edges here to include the full image. And then basically you can see under it the sources. You can click on visual matches to see what other pictures match the exact visual, or exact matches like the exact image right here. And then you can see the sources. So for example, this 8.6 website, this roll call, and you can click on them individually. This one is from X. And then you can simply look in them to see the image. As you can see, it's mentioned in different websites. And that's how to look for image matches or sources on Google to see where the image came from. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.